In this Python Lambda function quiz question, we are defining a brief code involving Lambda function, and then we want to find which one of these multiple choices is the correct answer. So we can see that first the tuple is defined, which is named yes, and the tuple has two components or elements, each of them a list. And then we are defining an inline or anonymous Lambda function named fun, and it has two inputs, and then it generates output. And then we are supposed to run a for loop and find what is going to be printed out. So we are running function fun via the for loop on each element that we can find inside the yes, because we say for no in yes, which means for every element inside yes, the first one being the list 3, -1, run fun of everything inside no. This is specifically saying pick everything inside no, which in this case would be when we run first round of for loop is trying to print fun and everything inside the element, which means all the elements inside this list. So it's going to be 3 and -1. And the second time that we run the for loop, it runs the print of fun of everything inside the second element inside the yes, which is 2 and -1. And obviously, as we can see, what Lambda function implements is it says take the two input arguments a, b, and the little trick is it says if there is nothing specifically defined for b, then assume b is 0. Otherwise, just take them and generates one output, which is a plus b. So it's going to generate obviously 3 plus -1, which is 2, and it's going to generate 2 plus -1, which is 1. So those are the two things that will be printed out. Therefore, the correct answer is this one, and none of them. I hope that this example is helpful in terms of illustrating how Lambda function can be potentially used as inline or anonymous function inside the code.